Hi, and welcome to our video on frankincense essential oil. I'm Holly Draper. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and this is the 10th video in our 10-part video series. Let's jump into learning about what amazing frankincense essential oil can do for us. You know, I love frankincense essential oil. Most people who use essential oils are familiar with its amazing properties. Some people don't know anything about it, though. All they know is that the three wise men brought frankincense as a gift to the Christ child, and that's pretty much all they know. And so let's talk about what amazing frankincense oil can do for us today. Frankincense oil is a very strong masculine energy oil. It's very opposite of myrrh that we talked about earlier on a previous video. Where myrrh is feminine and earth energy, frankincense has very, very strong masculine energy and a very strong heavenly energy. So it pulls your energy up toward the heavens. It's a very strong out of this earth energy, if you will. Frankincense essential oil is amazing for the brain. So it assists the brain. It promotes healthy brain function. It may assist in shaking and tremors and those kind of issues. And it's the best essential oil to use if there has been brain injury because it's just phenomenal for the brain. Now, one of the best ways to use it for the brain is inhalation. Yes, you can apply it topically, but you want to really breathe in those aromatic molecules and breathe them in. That's where a diffuser can be very, very good to use frankincense essential oil for the brain. Now, the reason why breathing in essential oils is so very important when it comes to the brain is it's because the way your brain registers the sense of smell through your olfactory system. When you breathe in aromatic molecules, they come up and pass through the olfactory sensors and up to the olfactory bulb here and pass right into the core part of your brain where they start to have instant effects on your brain, on your glands, on your hormones, on certain areas of the body. So when you breathe in those aromatic molecules of that lovely frankincense essential oil, it goes straight into your brain and starts to have an effect there. And one of the best ways to use frankincense with inhalation, of course, is with a diffuser. And if you're looking for a good diffuser, I've been studying essential oils for 14 years. We have one of the best diffusers I've ever come across on our website, purifyskin.com. Go there under essential oil accessories and look at our diffuser. It's the best one I've ever come across. But back to our brain. So you want to breathe, inhale, or breathe it from a diffuser, frankincense for the brain. Frankincense essential oil is also very decongesting. It's great for the lungs. And in fact, it's amazing for the entire respiratory system. It's useful for constricted breathing. It's useful for pretty much any kind of breathing issue you can imagine and all respiratory issues. And again, the best way to get those aromatic molecules down into your lungs is to breathe them in through inhalation. And one of the best ways to get the essential oils up into the air so you can breathe them in is with a diffuser. So a diffuser is a great machine to have when you're working with essential oils, and especially frankincense essential oil. If you're using a diffuser, be sure to have one that does not warm up your oils, that also it does not generate any heat and does not warm your essential oils. Those are going to be the best kind of diffusers. Frankincense essential oil is also amazing for your heart. It's a great heart tonic and phenomenal for the heart. It's one of the best essential oils you can use for your skin. So it's very anti-aging for your skin. It's great for cracked skin, dry skin, pretty much any skin condition or skin issue you can think of, you could pretty much use frankincense for because it's phenomenal for skin. Even occasional rashes that pop up. It's restorative for wounds and has been used anciently for wounds. It helps knit wounds together and is very cell regenerating, and that's why it works so well with wounds. And it is one of the very best essential oils for scars. Frankincense essential oil can help bring down inflammation in the body. That's just the very nature of this plant, is it helps bring down inflammation. It's also a great oil for pain. So it is very pain relieving. It can help with bone pain, with muscle pain, with joint pain, any kind of pain. Now, already you can see this is a very useful essential oil to have, but there's more. It boosts and strengthens your immune system. It's phenomenal, and it's a safe oil to use with kids and adults and the elderly alike. So it boosts and strengthens the immune system. It's detoxifying to the body. And in fact, it's a general tonic for your entire body, good for so many different systems in the body and good for so many different issues. Now, it's also a great emotional oil. So it releases negative emotions if you tend to hold on to negative emotions. It's the #1 essential oil for trauma of all kinds. So if you've dealt with a traumatic experience, or you know someone who has, and you have problems either letting go of the trauma or the memory or the emotional baggage that issue brought to you, frankincense is a great essential oil to use for that. So it's really, really good for emotional trauma. It's emotionally uplifting, and it makes you feel light. Remember, it's a heavenly energy, so it pulls you up. It's a very uplifting oil. It's very useful with depressed type feelings. It's useful with anxious type feelings. It's a great oil to use if you have fears, worry, or nervousness. If you're in a crisis, which is similar to like a trauma type thing, frankincense essential oil is just going to be your best friend. It's a great oil to use with loss and grief if you're suffering from those. It's a very grounding and balancing and refreshing essential oil on the emotional side. It's also so we talked about how it's emotionally supportive and can help release those low frequency emotions from your body. It also is very, very supportive to help build good emotions in your body and uplifting, like I mentioned. It strengthens the crown chakra, which is the chakra on the top of the head or the crown of the head. And it can actually help open and balance the crown chakra, which is an energy center on the body. It strengthens our connection to divinity, the divine, God, religion, heaven, whatever your interpretation of that is, but it can strengthen your connection to your creation. It increases spiritual strength and is very spiritually strengthening, and it's spiritually uplifting. So it's just such a great essential to have around in so many ways. Now, frankincense essential oil is wildcrafted. And what does that mean? You know, what does it mean to be wildcrafted? Well, that means the plant grows in the wild. It's planted, it is not planted there. It's, spontaneously grows there. It's in its natural habitat. So nobody planted it there. It just kind of grows there, kind of like a weed, if you will. It's completely unsprayed. Wildcrafted essential oils are never sprayed, or they can't be wildcrafted. So no toxic residue has ever touched these plants. Very similar to our wildcrafted balsam fir that we carry, where these balsam trees just grow up in the pristine mountains up in northern Canada. Nobody plants them, nobody sprays them. They just grow there naturally in their natural habitat, and people go in and harvest them. That's the very same as what they do with frankincense. So how can you tell if your essential oil is wildcrafted? You want to see it right on the label. If it's actually wildcrafted, it will say wildcrafted essential oil. Just like our myrrh oil is wildcrafted, so is our frankincense. So that will have it right on the label of the bottle. If the words either organic or wildcrafted are not right on the label, then what you have is a non-organic, non-wildcrafted essential oil, and you're not getting the greater benefits of organic and wildcrafted essential oils. Purify Skin Therapy is proud to offer you only USDA certified organic, which are very, very clean, unsprayed, also oils that are very clean and toxin free. And we bring you also the Wildcrafted, which of course grow in nature, but also are unsprayed. We're very proud to bring you the 2 highest quality essential oils, which are USDA certified organic and Wildcrafted. So that's our video on frankincense essential oil. We hope you learned something. This is the 10th video in a series of 10. So if you want to get all these videos, which all of these videos actually have an email packed with information that comes with it, we will email these right out to you so you get all 10 of them. Just text the word peppermint to 72000, or if you don't like to text, head over to our website, purifyskin.therapy.com, and you can just enter to start receiving the 10-part video series there. Thank you so much for joining us. Please check out our amazing essential oils. We really believe these are a superior quality, and if you try these essential oils, we believe you will see the difference. Have a great day. Thanks for joining us.